Alright, despite my best efforts, I made a big mess everywhere. But that's fine. That's why we have the cardboard. That's why the fender cover down. But this has a filter and it has multiple O-rings on it that have to be replaced. And it all comes in a nice kit with all the various O-rings. The main thing is just clean this up as good as we can so that we can see everything we need to see and go from there. So this is just going to slide right down. Standard filter. But this goes all the way down into the top of the motor. So we can clean it really good. Clean this as we go. Okay. Just a good idea to give a quick inspection. 1 O-ring, 2, 3. One on there. Okay. Anytime you're replacing any kind of seal or anything like that, gaskets, whatnot, you always want to make sure you coat the new ones with fresh oil. So, I don't know if you can see this, but this one has a gasket right here. To the top of the motor, right along here. So we are going to see how dry that is. It's made of rubber. Petroleum products like to be moistened. There we go. Let's set that aside. Clean it a little better. And let's get the rest of these off of here. There's one right here. Take that off. And then there's one here and one here. It's always these tiny ones that fight me. Okay, oh, almost. There we go. Okay, that one's off. And I believe this one is the, yes, that's the replacement. And there's a little tiny one right on the end. So, very fine little parts. So I'm going to lube this up. And I'm going to lube this guy up. Now I know a lot of folks are comfortable doing things to a certain point and then they get a little bit uncomfortable. With stuff like this, if you just, if you've never done it, if you take pictures of it, annotate where everything is before you start, you should be able to put it back together without any issues. All right. One, two, three, and that one. Pops right back into place. Pops right back into place. The whole thing goes right back in, just like that.